Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura N8 espresso machine. Now for this machine, it was brought here because it needed annual maintenance and the cafe grinder was not working. When we tested this machine, the machine was working the way it was supposed to. It was definitely very dirty, but the grinder was grinding the way it needed to. It was doing coarse grind and finer grind, and it was able to dispense it through here without no issues. And we were able to see that the grinder was definitely grinding coarser and grinding finer inside the machine. What did we notice is the machine that it was super dirty inside of it. We have a couple of pictures that you can see right here. This is the condition of the machine once we remove the brew unit. This is where the brew unit actually sits on, and this is the brew unit itself. You can see some coffee buildup right here on the side of the entire thing. You don't get to see it right here because this one has this cover that pushes the pucks out whenever you finish brewing coffee inside your machine. But once we remove that, you can see all the coffee buildup in here. Let me see if I can get it a bit better. There you go. You can see all that coffee buildup inside of the brew unit, all around the entire thing. You can see it better here. It was just a lot of coffee buildup inside of it. Even on the back as well, you can see some mold around the area. So yeah, it definitely needed a good tune-up, definitely needed a good cleaning. This is after we cleaned the entire brew unit. This is a Saxon piece that you see right here. This one, we completely cleaned it. Everything. That little shower screen, that new O-ring that you see right here, is basically this one right here. So you can definitely see how much we clean it, and that's the first picture that we see. We clean everything inside, put it back together, and test it. So yeah, that's what we did in the tune-up. We replaced the gasket that you saw that here, right there. We deep clean everything. We lubricated. We did these descale cycles, the cleaning cycles in this machine, and now it's ready to brew. So starting with one espresso. We're gonna test the machine out, then we're gonna use some hot water, and that's it. Apologies for that. We just finished doing the cleaning cycle, and it takes a little bit for the machine to fill up once again. But as you can see right here, we're dispensing the coffee the way it's supposed to. 2 ounces. There you go, 2 ounces. We'll do that again as well. We ran out of coffee. Let me put more coffee in there and be right back. Perfect, we added more coffee inside of it. As you can see, the sensor for the coffee container definitely works. Perfect. Nice steady stream. Excellent color as well. And 2 ounces. Working the way it's supposed to. Now let's test the hot water. As you can see, also a nice steady stream coming out through the water one. Working excellent. And now, since we do not have the the hose to siphon milk into it. Oops, I accidentally put another shot. Like I was saying, we do not have the little hose that is connected to the steamer, to the steamer system. So we're just gonna run some steam through the machine. After we finish doing a double espresso. Apologies for that. But as you can see, the grinder is definitely grinding the way it's supposed to, and is dispensing the right amount of volume and having a nice steady stream coming out through the spouts. Let me just do hot milk. It's gonna take a little bit for the thermal block to reach temperature, but once it reaches the temperature, we're gonna see some steam coming out through here. We do not have the hose again, so we will not be able to siphon milk, and we also do not have milk, unfortunately. As you can see, nice steam coming out through the spout. Sounds great, looks great, and has a nice temperature as I was burning my hand right there. So there you have it. Jura ENA 8 working once again to nav and clean and ready to brew. So thank you so much for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day. And thanks for watching.